couple of feet outside my door. The crater is descending dangerously into the foundations. When people, for adversity, find themselves looking out over the ruins of their lives, it's a time that we have to, I think, descend dangerously, perhaps into the very pit of our being, to see what's really still there. What have we yet of value? My life has been all about trying to rebuild, even as I've tried to begin rebuilding a house, which is, you think about it, is a lot like rebuilding the world. And though we may stand on the edge of a dangerous epoch for which it seems chaos is becoming the rule, I don't think it's the end. Because I believe so long as we're still talking and listening to one another, attending to our instincts together, we are at the beginning of history, and that together we can rebuild the world.